Welcome to Centered Meditation and our body awareness meditation. Spending a few moments getting comfortable in your position, closing down your eyelids and moving your awareness inside the body to observe the breath. Noticing how the air moves in and out of your body, all the different movements and sensations associated with your breath. Encouraging the breath down a little deeper, expanding your belly on the inhale, gently drawing it back in on the exhale. With each exhale, feeling a sense of letting go, feeling a softness moving through your body and your mind. We'll move our awareness around the body now to notice if we're carrying any tension, beginning with your forehead, eyebrows, eyelids, inviting a softness into the tiny muscles in these areas. Allowing this softness to move down your face and into your jaw. And into your neck and your shoulders, feeling your shoulders softening away from your ears. Your chest feels a little lighter. Your belly moves a little easier. And the muscles down your back begin to relax. Then moving your awareness around all the muscles, large and small, connected to your hips, inviting them to surrender, to relax, to find ease. And feeling this relaxation move down your legs, thighs, knees, shins and calves, ankles, all the way to your toes. For the next few moments, resting your awareness on the soles of your feet and your toes, observing any sensations happening in these areas. Now moving your awareness on to the palms of your hands and your fingertips. Scanning all these different parts of your hands, noticing what sensations have been sent from there. Now bringing your awareness to the right thumb, noticing what's happening here. Just simply observing. There might be some fuzziness or tingling. Maybe you can even feel your heartbeat. Moving on to your right index finger, middle finger, ring finger, baby finger, and guiding your awareness over to your left thumb and observing what sensations or movements you can feel here. Left index finger, middle finger, ring finger, baby finger, and moving your awareness very gently back to your breath, and observing all the parts of the body the breath interacts with. Maybe there's sensations at the tip of your nose or through your nostrils. There may be sensations as the air moves down through your throat, how your lungs expand, some movement around the ribs, around the belly. For the remainder of the meditation, you can use the movement of the breath as your anchor, or moving to your mantra, or any other anchor of your choosing. Whichever you choose, it's just a gentle, lazy, easy awareness. You're resting on your chosen anchor. So gentle that your mind will wander away from time to time. And this is an opportunity to return your awareness back to your anchor without any self-judgment, without any criticism. Repeating this process over and over. Gradually letting go of your anchor, allowing yourself to move away from any thoughts you may be on. Bringing some mindful movement to your fingers and your toes. Moving and stretching as needed. Noticing how your body is feeling, how your mind is feeling. And acknowledging yourself for finding the time and space for meditation. And letting that sense of acknowledgement sink in for a few moments. Our practice is coming to a close shortly. However, there is no rush. Please take your time coming out of the practice, only opening your eyes when you truly feel ready to do so.